Hello, everybody. Welcome to BossBoxBreaks 1213 Limited 2-box break. This is your winners list. Awesome winners list. Michael had 5 or more teams. You'll get some cards in the mail. We always send you something because you're always getting all those teams. Stubby had 10. Crazy sauce. You're definitely going to get a nice card in the mail, Stub. We'll talk about that. I'll send you a message. It ended at 7:29 p.m. Central Standard Time yesterday, July 9th. Today, 6:44, July 10th. First box, ending in 855. Shifley. You'll keep track of your hits. And I will put that knife over there so I don't cause an accidente. Good luck, everybody. All cards will go because they are all numbered, because this is limited. New Jersey, Michael Storto. 92 out of 299. Adam Larson base going to you. Brad Richards, 294 out of 299, going to Stubby. So New Jersey and New York. Got Jakob Silverberg, going to Ottawa Senators, 45 out of 499. Stub, going to you. For Washington, 7 out of 25. Prime, Mike Green. You guessed it, Stub. This is your box. Stub, 96 out of 99. Michael Del Zotto, limited jersey. Chickiver, Larry Robinson, Stanley Cup winners. Numbered out of 199. Your number is 108. And Sid the Kid Crosby, D Mac, that's going to you. 35 out of 99. That's box 1. Not bad, not bad. Box 2, I'll show you that serial before I get too going here. What does that say? 568. Yager. Ooh, it's a little thin. Good luck, hopefully there's a crazy auto. D-Mac, another hit for you. Stahl, 255 out of 299. That's Jordan. For Nashville, 34 out of 299. For Trotter. For Toronto Maple Leafs, as you can see on the top of the card and the jersey he's wearing there, 107 out of 499. That's Carter Ashton. Stub. Yeah, Stubby, you had both of those teams anyway, so no hate. Hey, nice hit. Michael, Keith Yandel, 53 out of 99. Very, 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 very good player in my opinion. Have another. Michael, Paul Bissonnette, 38 out of 99 limited jerseys. Hitting it up with the Arizona, a team that sometimes doesn't sell. Michael, Scott Niedermeyer, trophy winner, New Jersey Devils. You guys grab all those teams and get all those hits. 50 out of 199. And a limited captains for, believe it or not, Arizona, who is just smashing it. 156 out of 199. I've never seen Arizona hit so many times in one box. Never mind. So that is that. No randoms, fortunately, because I'm pretty slow at those. Just like shipping. Inside joke, haha. No hit bonus. Authentic jumbo material, Mikhail Grabovski, 23 out of 99. And we're going to give that away to a team that doesn't have one of those checks next to it, aka the no hit bonus. Going to possibly Team 14. Dennis, that card will go to you. We also have a bonus for anybody, and there's inserts in here. There's a few actually. You got Milan Lucic on one, side and a Back to the Future card on the other of this series, so there is numbered inserts in this one. That one will go out to anybody, and anybody is Team 1. That's Michael Stordo. Bonus 1 goes to you. So congratulations. Thank you guys for joining another Boss Box Breaks. This weekend is our crazy 4 box breaks back-to-back Saturday and Sunday. Hopefully we see you there. Take care.